Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. I am Nur Atia Husna binti Khairus Liza, reporting for Poly TV PKB. Today is the 1st June of 2022. Electrical Department has organized the Innovation and Technology Exhibition INOTEX for the Session 2 2021-2022. Well, to know the detail of the exhibition, with us is Puan Fatimah binti Abdul Rahman as a head of Electrical Department. Hello, madam.
Hello.
What is the objective of this exhibition?
Okay, firstly is that to develop students' creativity and innovative in producing a new product, especially to the community. And the second one is give experience and exposure to the students how to manage and develop their project. Jadi actually all the final year student and second year student, they ought to have create the creativity of an innovative by using the ESP32 to produce something that you can use for students, for community and for yourself. This is for IoT project actually. Okay.
Okay, next question, madam. As we know, besides celebrating Raya JKE, also has organized a robotic competition. Could you give some information about them?
Okay. For robotic competition is actually focused to project one student for semester 4. During the semester, we provide lecturer will provide the knowledge regarding to the implementation and development methods of a project based on hardware and software, or maybe they will combination both of them. All the students for semester 4, they will use ESP32. Is it ESP32? And that they will come up with the robot. For this semester, we using SMD for to build up the robot. Competition can be considered as the outcomes of the implementation of their knowledge and development of their project too. Hopefully this program or this pertandingan ni akan dapat memberikan satu impact yang baiklah kepada pelajar.
Thanks, madam, for your cooperation. We hope all participants of this program will become a successful student in future, insyaAllah. That's all from me, Nur Atia Husna binti Khairus Liza, and camera team Mr. Razali Abdul Rashid, reporting for Poly TV PKB. Together we make PKB number 1. Live, learn, innovate.
Together we make PKB number 1.